Honourable Deputy Chair of Chairs, as we debate the annual report of the Gauteng Department of Environment, Agriculture and Rural Development, we must begin by recognizing a simple truth. Agriculture is a cornerstone of economic development, even in a highly urbanized province like Gauteng. With more than 16 million citizens, sustainable food security is not optional, it's essential. We must strengthen urban farming, support commercial producers, and invest in agri-technology so that households and our economy are protected from rising food prices and supply pressures. Equally important is the environment portfolio, which remains underestimated despite its direct impact on Gauteng's economic performance. Ours is one of the most polluted provinces in the country. Littering, illegal dumping, deteriorating air quality, and pollution of scarce water resources by the failing municipalities and non-compliant industries all undermine public health, raise the cost of doing business, and threaten economic growth. Deputy Chair, water, however, remains a national function, and here national government continues to let Gauteng down. The province's repeated calls for intervention, infrastructure upgrades, and stronger regulation have gone unanswered. Gauteng cannot fulfill its mandate when the national custodian of water fails to act. But the solutions are within reach. We need a provincial agri-innovation drive, stronger extension services, and aggressive support for agro-processing to unlock jobs. We need tough environmental enforcement, community-based river rehabilitation, and real cooperation between national and provincial government on water security. If we strengthen agriculture and protect our environment, we strengthen Gauteng's economy. A province cannot be the engine of South Africa if its people cannot breathe clean air, access reliable water, and afford food. It is time to act decisively and together to secure Gauteng's future. Thank you, Deputy Chair.